Now we're going to just pin the seams. So I've just pinned this one together. So we're going to do the leg that we haven't done anything with. Now we're going to put this together and nothing can go wrong really because we've only got one leg left. So all we need to do is place the top on top of each other and then go down to the lower end. You want to make sure that in the lower part of your leg, actually, that's really flat. And then at the top, there is like a little bit of excess, about a centimeter on the back leg. And we hold that in because that makes a pants fit better. So that is correct. So don't cut it off at the end. We don't want to do that. We want to leave that. And then I can also move it over to the other side and pin that one. And off we go under the sewing machine, 1 centimeter seam allowance. Sew them together. Now we just need to iron them apart, and I think one of these lovely ironing boards is actually really cool because it's you know, it's a sleeve ironing board, works really well for pants as well, of course, because you can really get into this and then just iron them with a lot of steam nicely apart. And that's it. One more step in this chapter, we're going to turn one of our legs inside out and we're going to stick it into the other leg so that we can sew the crotch together, right? It's so easy. It's so easy. So what you want to do here is pin these together in this area all the way up. So now all I have to do is pin the front together, pin the back together, and then we're going to sew it in one go all the way around. It's very simple, really. Most of you will know this already. Now we'll start sewing, and we'll start in the front crotch or the back crotch, and we go all the way round. Always make sure that you're sewing kind of from the inside so that your pins are on the side you're sewing so that you can move your pants around. Now all we have to do is iron the seams apart here again. You won't be able to go all the way down. You just iron the top part of it on the front and the back. And now we're ready finally to put the facings on. So I'll see you in the next chapter where I'm going to show you how that works.